as WH. Okay, WH. Okay, and the final output will be known as like WO. Okay, WO. So um, like this is the first neuron. Okay, it will have some input, then it will have some weight of the input weight, then it will have some output. With this output we will having some biased also. So each step we are having the biased. Okay, then our final output will be going towards sigmoid function. So sigmoid function is actually the activation function. This is activation function. Okay, then we will have some output. That output we will denote as y hat. Okay, or y cap we can say. Then this is actually our prediction output, predicted output. Okay, predicted output. This is not our actual output, so there will be some loss will be added to this predicted output, and that loss will be calculated as loss is equal to y minus y cap. Okay, so this y is our actual output, and this y cap is our predicted output, as I told. Okay, okay, now to decrease this loss, okay, to decrease this loss we need another step. That step is actually the backward propagation. So in backward propagation our data flows from output towards the input direction, okay, in the opposite direction. Then what it does actually, so it actually minimize the bias that is added to each step. Okay, this, so it will minimize the loss. Okay, so this minimization of loss in this step is known as backward propagation. Okay, एंड जितना ज़्यादा लॉस को हम कम कर सकते हैं वो हम कम करते हैं. सो दिस फॉरवर्ड प्रोपगेशन एंड बैकवर्ड प्रोपगेशन is actually a repeated loop. Okay, this is a repeated loop. Okay, okay, so this is actually the a brief idea. Okay, uh, behind the training steps of neural networks. Okay,